acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot?
So I'm very excited for it, and I did not expect to be this excited for a flat ride, trust me. How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to Busch Gardens, Tampa. What is going on with the Intamin Drop Tower Falcon's Fury? We are coming to you from a park that I've actually never been to before. We are here today to celebrate the closing and demise. It is Woody Woodpecker's Kid Zone. I keep being pelted by balls. Have mercy on me.
Dump it back, hold back.
Oh. Ah. This is a challenge of trying not to be hit. A familiar ride, a familiar mountain in the park is closing its doors for good.
This is the production area. Some of the strangest props that we have in this area are going to be these doors.
Hope you enjoyed yourself.
They've introduced a Din Djarin, the Mandalorian in the flesh, a meet and greet for him and Grogu. I see him, guys. Sitting right over there. It has been a minute since I have actually explored this park, and that is to see Harmonious for the very last time. It is the grand opening day for Tron Light Cycle Run here at the Magic Kingdom. Happy Earth Day, everybody, and happy 25th anniversary to what I think is the most beautiful Disney park in the world. Well, I don't know how we ended up here, but guys, we are at Fun Spot America Orlando. Fun Spot Atlanta? The big reveal, it is Illumination's Villain Con. See everyone having a great time riding this all new attraction. So let's head right on into the park and go see what is happening over at VillainCon. That was something else, guys. Good morning, everyone. Coming to you bright and early from the Universal Orlando Resort. Alright, so right here is where we sync the app to the blaster. And just like that, sync successful. Today is going to be a bit of a special video because I wanted to come in and check out the top 5 best shows. Today is the day for the final day of Poseidon's Fury.
It's a great show. It's a classic OG Universal attraction.
Everyone is definitely coming in flock to share their love of the famed Poseidon's Fury attraction.
Attention guests. Due to a condition within this building, we ask that you promptly move to an exit as directed by our personnel in an orderly fashion.
It is the Jurassic Park 30th anniversary tribute store opening here in the Hollywood section of Universal Studios. We are celebrating the 30th anniversary of the original Jurassic Park. We are actually flying out to California to visit some of those parks out there. The first purchase that I had to do right after entering. Oh, there it goes. You guys, look where we are. We are here at Knott's Berry Farm. We are actually here today at a park that we have never been to on the channel. That is right, it is Disney California Adventure Park at the Disneyland Resort. Soon, once park hopping becomes a thing, we will head on over to Disneyland right across the way and go have a fun time there. But, I mean, come on guys. It's Disneyland for crying out loud. We're gonna have a great day. The all-new Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny film just came out into theaters. So we're gonna start things off here at the park, do everything Indiana Jones related.
The free spinning part starts as soon as you leave the second lift.
Happy New Year, baby. Oh, Happy New Year, baby.
We are just 2 weeks away from Halloween Horror Nights 32 here at Universal Studios Florida. Well, here we are finally at long last at Halloween Horror Nights.
Happy New Year to you and your friends, and have a drink on me. Happy New Year to you and have a drink on me.
Good morning everyone from Epcot, and that is because it is the grand opening of Moana. Only took about 4 years, but we are here sitting in World Celebration Garden, right in the middle of Epcot. I'm coming to you from the Orange County Convention Center for a very special week, the IAPA Expo. How's it going everyone? We are coming to you from Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. This will be my first time ever attending it.
Might as well sing along. Happy New Year, baby. Oh, Happy New Year, baby.
Today we are checking out the all-new holiday tribute store over at Universal Studios, which just opened to pass holders yesterday. Happy Holidays because the holidays have officially begun here at the resort.
What's going on here? The Hutu. That's what it
The Hootube, yes. Yeah. Oh, you're tired from it all? Yeah.
Hello.
I wanted to devote time to meeting the Grinch.
What do you want?
I came to see you.
Came to see me?
Oh yeah.
Well, mission accomplished.
We are basically going to be going around and I will be laying out the top 6 best things to do during the holidays here at the resort.